Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best gear and gadgets for all your adventures. Today, we're talking about the Gold Armour Camping Hammock, the best teal hammock you'll find for your outdoor and indoor relaxation needs. Whether you're an avid camper, hiker, or just love to chill in your backyard, this hammock is built to provide the ultimate comfort and support. First off, let's talk about the materials. The hammock is made from premium parachute nylon, which is soft yet incredibly strong. It supports up to 500 pounds, so whether you're just lounging or napping, it's built to hold you securely. The fabric is breathable, ensuring you stay comfortable no matter how long you decide to relax. Now, let's dive into the setup. The Gold Armour hammock is not only incredibly durable, but it's also designed to be ultra lightweight and compact. Weighing just 23 ounces, it's light enough to carry anywhere and packs down to the size of a small Napa cabbage. When you're ready to set it up, the process is a breeze. You get 2 heavy-duty carabiners and 2 tree straps, each 10 feet long, making it quick and simple to set up and enjoy your hammock experience without any hassle. One of the standout features of this hammock is its strength. The straps are designed with a breaking strength of 1,000 pounds, which is double the strength of most other hammocks on the market. This means you can rest assured that it'll hold up even under more strenuous conditions. The triple interlocking stitching also adds extra durability, ensuring this hammock will last for years to come. Another great feature is the tree-friendly straps that make it easy to hang the hammock without damaging the trees. You'll be able to enjoy nature without leaving any trace behind, which is always a big plus. The hammock's dimensions are perfect too, measuring 9 feet by 4.58 feet, which comfortably fits one person. Aside from its fantastic performance, Gold Armour, the company behind this hammock, is a small family-owned business based in San Francisco. They're not just about providing quality gear, they also care about the environment. For every hammock sold, a percentage of the profits goes towards planting trees and restoring national forests. Plus, they also donate to children in need, making your purchase even more rewarding. Whether you're using it for camping, hiking, or just chilling in your backyard, this hammock is a must-have. The combination of strength, comfort, and convenience, all packed into a lightweight design, makes it a top choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable hammock. If you're in the market for a new hammock, the Gold Armour Camping Hammock, especially in this stunning teal color, should definitely be on your list. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews to help you make the best choices for your outdoor adventures.